In this video I will show you how you can open your washing machine when the door won't open. This is a San Giorgio washing machine. The model is here, but it works on 99% of the washing machines. When this happens, it's either the problem is that the latch inside is not working, which would be a bad thing because it's a bit difficult to get to it, and most likely it's the handle here that doesn't work. So now I closed it and you see it won't open. To make sure it's not the latch inside the washing machine, the thing that clicks,
Stop.
set the washing machine to stop, and then you set it to drain, start the washing machine,
Let it run for 1 minute.
let it run for a few 10 seconds, and then press go to stop and listen, wait 2, 3, 4 minutes. There should be a click. You know the click, you've been using your washing machine. You know they make a click when after the program is finished, it will let you take the clothes out. That click, if you hear it, it's good news. It means it's only the latch on the door. That's the problem. So once you hear the click, you can use a string to put the string around the door of the washing machine to open it, but you could also try to hit it a little bit with your hand. Even if you don't hear the click from inside, try to hit it. It might be a little bit stuck. Also try to press on the door to let it open. But if that doesn't work, you can use a string or even a credit or a debit card or any other membership card. Whatever card you use, make sure it's expired and it's not a good card. I noticed that it's good to bend it a little bit on the edge like this. It might have, the washing machine handle might have some screws around that area, and that wouldn't let the card go through. And as you see, I actually tried a few times and it doesn't really, maybe bending it a little bit more, but still doesn't work. But it could work. It's up to the washing machine you have, how it's made, how it's designed. There is something even easier than that. Use any string, a thin one, fishing line, or a thick fishing line, or just a simple string like this. Put it behind the door. It might be a bit difficult to get it behind. Take your time here, no need to rush, and then it goes like this, and listen to this. That's all, it's open now. Now you can see why it wasn't opening. When I press on the handle to engage the unlock mechanism, it doesn't move it. Something has to be broken inside there. And this is what the string did. It's really just pulling this hook back. And the card would do the same in this way. But these screws, there is also another set of screws on the washing machine side. And because of those, it didn't open. The problem might be that this hook is orientated the opposite way. So then you have to get the string somehow behind the latch, behind the door on the other side. You might use a thin wire, and then you fish the line through the door and go back from the other side. I really believe most of the washing machines have the unlocking mechanism this way with the hook facing outward, so you can easily use the line to open it. This needs to be fixed, the part needs to be replaced, if you're lucky, if you can find it. Thanks for watching.